Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable music haptics with iOS 18 on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open settings and here search for the accessibility tab. After this, we would be able to find this tab which is named Music Haptics. So now it's off, but when available, Music Haptics provide haptic feedback for supported sounds. So to turn it on, just tap on the switcher like this, so it will light up green. And also you can here select to play sample and you'll feel really strong vibration according to the beats in the song. Now you can also see available applications and you can also enable it or disable in the Apple Music or in the control center. Just swipe down like this and here is this feature. Now it is enabled and if we touch it again it will be paused. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.